This is chapter 11, question 24. It's a very long question, a lot of calculation. Now, it's saying that in the factory, they roast limestone, and then this limestone will produce carbon dioxide. So they roast a lot, like 1,000 million tons per year, and then further 200 million tons to make lime. So first of all, you must know what is limestone. Okay, I think I kind of taught you how to remember what is limestone, what is lime. Yeah? So first, we must know limestone is calcium carbonate. Okay, and lime is calcium oxide. But calcium oxide is not important here because they only want you to find carbon dioxide. So, but if you know what is limestone, what is lime, you kind of can guess what's the reaction involved here. It is actually calcium carbonate, okay, decomposed to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, how do I remember? Because see, limestone is longer, so the formula also longer. Lime is shorter, so formula also shorter. Okay. Then you see when you roast calcium carbonate, you will get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now the harder part here is they use a a, a unit that you are not familiar with, million tons. Okay, so let's try to calculate now. How how many gram is 1,000 million tons? We want to calculate gram because we use gram to divide by the molar mass to find number of moles. So I need to find this in gram. So 1,000. Now million means 10 to the power of 6. Okay. Tons means 1,000 kg. So until now I found kg. Now I need multiply by another 1,000 so that I can get the mass in gram. So if you press your calculator, you should get 1 times 10 to the power of 15 gram for 1,000 million tons. Now, they also roast a further 200 million tons. So let's repeat this. Means 200 million is times 10 to the power of 6 times 1,000 again for tons to kg times 1,000 again for kg to gram. So this will be 2 times 10 to the power of 14 gram. So in total, 1 year, 1 year they roast 1 times 10 to the power of 15 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 14, which is 1.2 times 10 to the power of 15 gram of calcium carbonate. Right, from this equation, you know 1 mole of calcium carbonate, okay, roasted and give you 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So let's find the number of mole of calcium carbonate. Okay, so this many gram of calcium carbonate is how many mole of calcium carbonate? So 1.2 times 10 to the power of 15. Okay, let's divide by the molar mass of calcium carbonate. So atomic mass of calcium is 40.1. For carbon is 12. Okay, for oxygen is 16. Okay, let's multiply by 3. Okay, So let's use calculator. Okay, I get 11.99. Sorry, not 11.99. Okay, 1.2. Okay, times 10 to the power of 13 mole. Okay, so we should get the same number of mole of carbon dioxide also. I use different color to represent carbon dioxide here. So N of CO2 should be the same as the number of mole of calcium carbonate, which is 1.20 times 10 to the power of 13. So let's find the mass of carbon dioxide in gram first. So number of mole multiplied by the molar mass of carbon dioxide, which is 12.0 plus 16.0 times 2. Okay, let's look at the answer. Okay, it is 5.27 times 10 to the power of 14 gram. But they want the answer in million tons. So how do I convert this to million tons? Just now I multiply by so many things, right? To find million tons to gram. Now I have to divide all by all these things to find the amount in million tons. So mass of CO2 in million tons. Okay, which is 5.27 times 10 to the power of 14. This time I have to divide this whole thing. Okay, divide by see just now I multiply 1000, right? Okay, let's divide by 1000. Divide just now multiply by another 1000. Now divide by another 1000. Just now multiply by 10 to the power of 6. Now divide by 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, I get 527. Where's this part? Yeah. So the answer is B.